In this video, I'm going to reveal 5 beginner-friendly ways that you can make money online. And the best part about these 5 methods is you don't need to buy anything and you could potentially make money with stuff that you have lying around the house. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn which of these 5 methods will work best for you. Hello, my name is Alston Godbold, and as a successful internet marketer, I've made money with stand mixers, security cameras, web hosting, online courses, and even soundbars. If you want to learn real internet marketing tips and tricks to make money online, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start for my free 4-step cheat sheet to make money online with stuff that you already have. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about this. I'm going to show you 5 proven ways that you can make money online as a complete beginner with stuff that you already have or stuff that you already know. So let's go ahead and get right into it. The first one that I want to show you is that you can create videos about stuff that you already know. For example, if you look at my screen here, I have just typed in day in the life. For example, day in the life of a warehouse worker. There are millions of people that are coming to YouTube that want to know about your day. Not necessarily your day, but a day that they're interested in. If you're a warehouse worker, you can create content around that. If we take a look at the top result here, 1.2 million views. The one below it, 25,000 views, only 2,000 subscribers. So you could essentially create a day in the life of a warehouse worker. Talk about when you get up, talk about your work responsibilities, and you can turn that into cash as a complete beginner. Now, the great thing is you can just do a talking head video. Like, for example, like I'm sitting in front of you right now, just talking to you about the different opportunities that are out there. You can do the exact same thing. Now, if you don't want to create a 10-minute video on YouTube, you can create a bunch of smaller videos on TikTok, and this can work out just as well. Now, how can you make money with this? If you are on YouTube and you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can make money with the YouTube Partner Program. If you're on TikTok, you can sell your own digital or physical products, which we'll talk about more in just a second. With simply creating content about your job, your day in the life, can be extremely profitable. For example, my next door neighbor is an accountant. We can take a look at something like cost accounting. Cost accounting, people are asking questions about cost accounting. This top result here, as you can see, has 102,000 views. This person only has 3,000 subscribers. So if you know anything about cost accounting, that could be an opportunity. This can work for being a dentist, a warehouse worker, you name it, this could work. Let's type in fast food worker. Maybe if you, let's say you work at McDonald's, and you can show people how to do those different recipes. So if we did like fast food, I just typed in fast food work, but fast food worker, look at this, working at a fast food restaurant for 7 days. This is what happened. 240,000 views. He has 11 million subscribers, but look at the one below it, 64,000 views, 913 subscribers. Do's and don'ts working in fast food. This will literally work for any niche. You think, hey, I work at Wendy's, this isn't going to work for me. This person, 687 views from 1 month ago, 2,000 subscribers. That's a really good view to subscriber ratio. And this person's talking about working at Wendy's. You work White Castle, Wendy's, you name it, this will work. So number 1 is talking about stuff that you do, talking about your day job. Number 2 is actually creating a course about your day job. For example, once again, we're looking at accounting. Accounting you think is boring, no one's interested in it. But if we look at cost accounting once again, you're going to see that there are thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of people that are interested in a cost accounting course. This would be a great course for people that are looking to sit for the CPA exam, maybe small business owners that can't afford to hire an accountant. These courses work for just about anyone. Look at this top result here. It has over 1,171 reviews. If we click on this is a 53-hour course, by the way. If we click on it, you can see this has over 100,000 students. So if we took 100,000 and we multiplied it by $9.99, you're going to see that's a pretty substantial chunk of change. So if we did 100,000 here, make sure we have enough zeros, multiply that by $9.99 like that, and you are looking at approximately, you're looking at approximately $999,000 just from a course over on Udemy. Now, you'll have to split the cost in half, so you're probably looking at closer to $450,000, which is still a pretty good chunk of change. But again, you are simply taking what you know and what you do all day, you're packaging that up into a course, and you can sell it. And there's actually a few different ways that you can make money within Udemy. One is with affiliate marketing, which we'll talk about in just a moment. Other is to actually get them on your mailing list, and you can sell them even more stuff. That's one of the ways that I've made extra money with my Udemy courses because Udemy courses don't pay a ton. But what I did is I offered a bonus, and if they enter in their name and their email address, they can get free downloads. And then they actually will they'll join my mailing list, and I can market other products to them. So if we look at this, affiliate marketing for beginners masterclass and affiliate marketing with the Bluehost affiliate program, I actually have a little bonus in there. They have to leave the platform, enter their name and their email address. I have that information now, and I can actually sell them even more products. So that is great. And what you can do is you can bundle the first two together. Again, if you are an accountant, you can create content about being an accountant and then send them over to a course over on Udemy if they want to learn more. If there are additional skills, tips, tricks, and tactics that they need to learn, you can actually make even more money. You could sell the course yourself, but if you want to get up and running as fast as possible, you can use a website like Udemy to help you out. That is number 2. Number 3 is actually selling stuff that you have lying around the house. We all have, or most of us have, stuff that we are never going to use again. Here's an example of stuff that I've made money with years ago around the house. I've made money with nursing textbooks. I've made money with The Last Dragon. That was a DVD for $2.38. Law Abiding Citizen. NFL Madden 17 made $1. That was like 3 years ago after the game was no longer enjoyable. I had bought previous versions, but you can see these are all different things that I had lying around the house. I just sold them. I went and got packaging stuff from Target, packaged it up, and sold it. But look at this. The Super Nintendo Entertainment System, Super NES, went for $45, and I wasn't using it, so I made $45 that day. But you can see that there are all sorts of things that you can sell that someone else is going to want. This is a JavaScript and jQuery book that I wasn't using, sold it for $4.70. I'd made my money back essentially because it was just lying around collecting dust. You can sell literally anything on eBay, but you don't have to use eBay. If you want to make money faster, use the Facebook Marketplace. Just make sure that you're safe when you're buying and selling on Facebook Marketplace. You can meet the person at a public place, sell them whatever it is that they're interested in, and then you can make money that way. Actually, we'll have a video coming out tomorrow with 5 ways that you can make money today. So check that out if you are interested in making money fast. But you can see selling stuff on eBay, selling your old junk, which will be new to somebody else, you can actually make some money. I've sold more stuff, but apparently this is all that you can see for whatever reason. But selling stuff on eBay can help you make some money. After selling stuff on eBay is affiliate marketing. Now, I've actually made money with these water balloons. Yes, these little water balloons here have made me some income, and I'll tell you exactly how I did it. I became an affiliate for Amazon Associates. Amazon has an affiliate wing where if I recommend different products and services, people click on my affiliate link and make a purchase, I earn a commission. So what I did is I created a short little video with a review about these little water balloons. I talked about the good, the bad, what I really like about it. I took that video and I put it on YouTube, and I also put it on the Amazon influencer program. And then someone saw my videos and they clicked on my link and made a purchase. So I actually made a few dollars. Now, you might be thinking, hey, you only made 38 cents off of the sale. But the cool thing is if someone clicks on my affiliate link and they purchase anything within the 24-hour period, I can earn a commission on everything that they earn. For example, if they come and they buy these water balloons, and then they buy a stand mixer, and then they buy a TV and a refrigerator, I can earn a commission off of all of that, and I can make even more money. And there's a number of ways that you can get started as an affiliate. What I recommend that you do is look around your house and find stuff that you already own or that is coming to you. For example, this light right here, I did an unboxing video. I basically just recorded myself with my smartphone unboxing the product. And I'm going to put that on YouTube. And I'm also going to put in the Amazon influencer program. People are going to see this light. They're going to click on the link, and I can make money. Also, in addition to a boxing, I can do a review video like initial impressions. I can do like how-to and comparison videos. So there's a ton of ways that you can make money. And this is all with stuff that's lying around your house. So there is tons of ways. And the final way that you can make money as a complete beginner is actually with Fiverr, completing services on Fiverr. Now, Fiverr is a marketplace where you're going to list your skills. For example, if we are an accountant, once again, we're going to type in accounting, and you can make money simply being an accountant for other people. As you can see here, there are 8,000 services available, and there are all sorts of people that are making money as an accountant. This person, a UK accountant, starting at $35. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over to Fiverr, you're going to switch to selling, you're going to list your skills and ability, and you can make money. Now, if you want to make money faster with Fiverr, and again, I'll talk about this a little bit more tomorrow, but come over to buyer request, and you are going to apply to buyer request, and you can actually get hired on as a complete beginner. A lot of these people have a bunch of reviews, and so it's tough to compete with 8,000 people. But if you do the buyer request, you can actually make money much faster. So just to recap real quick, number one is creating content about your job, what you do all day, every day. Number two is creating a course based on your job, what you do all day, every day. Number three is selling junk that you have laying around the house that you aren't going to use anymore. Anything from clothes to DVDs, video games, you name it, you can sell it. After that is being an affiliate for Amazon or any other product or company out there. Every major company has an affiliate program, everything from makeup to video games, they have an affiliate program for you. I have a ton of videos on affiliate marketing on the channel. Definitely check those out. Number four is listing your services over on Fiverr. Once again, what I recommend that you do is don't overthink this. Use the skills that you already have. For example, if you're an accountant, there's tons of people that need accountants. Again, small and medium-sized businesses are going to have questions. People needing help with their QuickBooks, all different ways that you can get into it. Those are the 5 ways that you can get started as a complete beginner. Now that you know those 5 ways, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my free 4-step cheat sheet to make money with stuff that you already have. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.